You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again.
Guys, I hope you like my new intro. I love it. It took me quite a bit to make it, so especially I hope you did like. If you did not see that, then go and do that. But today I'm gonna make a tutorial probably. If not, then we're gonna do something else and we're gonna see what that is. But today I'm probably gonna be showing you a tutorial of how to make slime without any glue. Just to warn you, hopefully you don't make hard slime. I don't like that at all. So, I have a collection of slime here. If you're wondering what power director again, it's because I do that. So, my dad said it's a collection of dog poop, but it's not. So I'm going to be showing you how to make that. So yay! Yay. Clearly, as you can see, it was yes. So, you can obviously see the flour. So all you need is flour, conditioner, anything. And this might get a little messy, depends. I'm going to go for pink. Even though it says red, it turns out pink for some reason. But, and a spoon. Your bowl, of course, first. I don't know if I even over there. There's slime crumbles from last time I did it. First thing first, is you're gonna gather flour. It's hard to open. Okay. Put in there. Don't try not to put too much because you don't want hardness. I'm only going to make one batch. It's just because I don't really want to make more than one. So, now you're going to add your conditioner. Conditioner or regular soap, it doesn't really matter. Then you're going to mix that baby up. I'm just going to, what I do first is I grab the flour in the bowl. Do that, and then I start mixing. It's a good idea for me because I don't really like to get my spoons that messy. But you do what you want, okay? Okay. When it starts looking not like flour anymore, that's how you know it is in form. See, it isn't forming yet because it looks pretty much like normal flour. Once a few spoons and it doesn't look like that, just add a little bit more and then mix that baby up. Oh wow, look at that, it's already coming together. There's so much, like, pieces. If you see pieces coming together, looking like this, like that, then that is how you know if it's beginning to form. Let's feel. Also, I am so excited for tomorrow because I get to babysit the cutest baby on earth tomorrow. And since I am starting a babysitters club soon, so one of the times I'm probably going to give out the number. So, like, you guys know a number, and if parents are watching this, then we can babysit. Just, I would be coming. Oh, yeah. Never mind. Never mind about that. Because you probably don't know where we live. So, I can't say, sadly. So I might as well not say anymore. But that is true. We are starting a babysitting club. Why am I saying more? Okay. Now, once you're ready, go ahead and put your hand in there. Grab all the slime as you can. Stuck. You poor self. Okay, got a little bit. Why is it leaving me? Ugh. I got itty bitty slime. Why is it sticking to me? Okay. No, get back here. We need to go with the other slime. Place you. Now, if you are following along, it should be ready, so if not, then sorry. Oh, it doesn't matter what kind of flour you use, by the way. So, pretty simple. You can do this anywhere, anytime. Who really cares? You know what? I should make your own slime day. Tell everybody that's a thing. That'd be cool. Okay. My slime is almost done. As you can see, it's get off me. And we're just gonna the pieces. Gonna make sure there's no more pieces that you miss, because you don't want. There's an ant that's trying to go all over my slime. That ant. Oh gosh, is it coming towards me? It's on my spoon. Move. That ant. Get it. Okay, Sid. I killed it. It's my spoon of power. The fly scared me. It almost gave me a heart attack. Okay? Now, grab my slime and dye it pink. Kind of like coloring it pink. Food dye. That was weird. Okay, so we're gonna mix in this itty bitty piece. Sure, your hands are gonna get food dye on it, but it's not like it's never gonna come off. Am I right? No! Wait. If you are wondering, it's because I cut myself earlier today. No! Got my dough back. It's not really dough, guys. Just so you know. That's, yes, no, yes. We place it, and now we do that, and now we do that, now we do this, okay. We might as well add a few other than one. Ah, it looks like blood. Oh, that gives you guys an idea for fake blood. Duddy, I don't really care if this turns out red. All I care about is that it turns pink. because some of them was hard in that bag earlier. If you forgot, then go rewind to that. Some of them was hard. Only like 2 was solved. I can't really do stuff without making it hard. You know? Ugh. There we go. Just add soap and a little powder to make it less hard than it is, or than it was, or if it isn't, great job actually. Because my first time it was hard like a pan. Well, actually, my first time mine did not work out. So I put way too much shampoo. There's another little monster. No! My food is dropping. It's me, Red. It's Red. Get on me, Red. Food, die. Shampoo. We mix. No conditioner. I meant conditioner. At the same time, I put way too much. Yeah. Sprinkle that. Now we mix, mix, mixity, mixity, mix. My hands are red. Like literally, look. Not at all, my slime is coming together. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Or if you're just watching this for fun, you need to try it. If you're not like a slime lover, watching it for fun or something, that's okay too. Just I want you to try to make the slime, because it's not like normal slime. And if you're not really interested in stretchy slime, then this is it for you, because this isn't really that stretchy. Unless you want it to be, go and check out other videos. Stab it. Stab it. Where did it go? Can't stab it. Okay. So I know the other one's still killed. Whatever. Found it. It's all the way over there. Wait. Which one's which? There's 2 of them. Hey, don't go near it. Huh. Oh, go. That's a lot. Die. 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 Yeah. Okay. My slime and my hands are coming together. Eat. Hey. No more soap. Yeah! It looks like a bat. Soap looks like a bat. Whee! My next video is probably going to be how to make an intro like that. You need 30x for the one I got. And you need 2 apps for a different one. soapy. But still so soft and lovely. Yuck. Smell it. I dare you. It smells good, doesn't it? No! Warning you, back off, ants. Because I got the stabbers. This is already harder than it looks. Eesh. Eesh. Yep. Yep. Ew! Did something poo on me? I'm kidding. Way too much soap. The food coloring is almost doing good. Oh wow! All the soap is making my hands have less food coloring. You can tell a little before. So, just oh, it's done. As you can see, I didn't get all those other spots right there, but it's still really soft, really good, and I love it. It's kind of stretchy after a while, but